Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring tools are ready. Install Python 3, 8 or newer and pip, then create a virtual environment. Once done, install Pyqt5 and Pyqt5 tools with pip so you have designer and libraries. Make sure to open your project in an editor and create main. Py as the entry point. You'll import sys and Pyqt5 modules next. This first step gets your environment repeatable and clean, which prevents version conflicts later when you build the GUI. You now compose the UI, instantiate Q application, then create a Q main window or Q widget depending on needs. Once done, add layouts like QV box layout and QH box layout to organize widgets and place Q push button, Q label, Q line edit as required. Make sure to connect signals to slots using clicked, connect or lambda wrappers so user actions trigger behavior. Keep the UI code focused on presentation and move data handling into separate functions or you finish by instantiating your main window, showing it, and starting the event loop with app. Exec, then exit cleanly via sys. Exit. Once done, consider using Qt Designer for advanced layouts and load UI files dynamically or convert them to Python. Make sure to test interactions and responsiveness. Long-running tasks must move to threads or Asyncio to avoid blocking the GUI. If things go wrong, enable logging, inspect tracebacks, and check for blocked event loop calls as the primary troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.